In this Premiere Pro tutorial, you're gonna learn how to make a write-on effect. You can download this font for free, link in the description below. So first things first, in the Effects panel, search for write-on. Drag it onto your text layer. In the Effect controls, click on the effect and change its color to anything that's bright. Change the stroke length to 5 and brush spacing to 0.001. On the first frame, press the stopwatch of the brush position, then click on write-on. Move the colored dot to the first position of your letters. Scale up the brush size so it covers the entire length of the letters. Then go one frame forward and move the dot to the next position of your letter. Keep doing this until you eventually trace the entire word that you have, and by doing so, you're gonna create a ton of keyframes. Finally, change the paint style to reveal original image, and if the effect moves too fast, nest the text layer and slow down its speed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.